in the title of this video. In
You
parentheses.
have to warn people somehow. You can't just bamboozle them with this emotion. Does it need lemon, you think?
No! No lemon, no lime, no citrus of any kind.
You a poet, girl?
Yeah. I'm feeling pretty relaxed, except for the fact that everything that you're doing right now is stressing me out.
Is this 1 garlic clove or 4?
That's 4 garlic cloves. If I cooked your favorite meal, what would I cook you?
My reflex is to say sushi, but vegan sushi really ain't there yet, so probably pad thai.
What a boring video.
Are you kidding me? Watch your mouth when you're talking about my son pad thai. By the way, we're naming our son pad thai.
Listen to this. My idea, if we have a boy child, I want to name him San Solomita. Come on, it's a pretty good name.
San.
What?
Is San his first name and Fran his middle name?
Yes. How about, okay, Julian, get a load of this. Jerry Seinfeld Solomita!
Okay, that would be great. I'm down for that. Then we could totally market our videos as every single one of them has Jerry Seinfeld in it. It says just fry. It doesn't say a temperature. And when I see fry, I just see high. Good way to remember it.
No.
Onion and garlic. Fry high.
No!
Good way to remember it.
Julian, no. Look at that, that's so violent!
Back up. It's actually a little low. And while it's cooking down, we're gonna get down.
Julian, you never cease to amaze me with your choice of kitchen utensil that is the wrong thing to cook with.
No, I'm cooking with this. Always gotta have a few utensils in play.
Julian, he's already trying to make modifications to this recipe.
I just want to add a little hot sauce.
I told you, it's not hot sauce, babe. It's like a chili meat sauce. You can add Frank's Red Hot on top of it if you want. You don't just dump it in there. Especially not right now.
So just a little?
No! It's not your recipe. Look at me. Look at me. Aren't you glad I picked such a simple recipe as my favorite meal?
This is the least simple recipe I've ever cooked. When you're critiquing me at the end, can you please remember that I've never made this ever?
Yeah, I've never made a vegan garbage plate either. What is that? Oh, who are you fighting?
They go in at the same time, just one person.
I'm a Virgo. Look at that. Just breeds sophistication, just like me. This is where I come from. Me in a nutshell. Julian, that's not the potato peeler. Julian, that's not the potato peeler. That's a vegetable peeler. Julian, no. Now you can just do that over the garbage, and then it just goes right into the garbage.
I always miss.
That sounds like a you problem. This is our kitchen right here. We need fire extinguishers in all corners of the kitchen.
Everyone does. It's proper fire safety.
Yeah, but especially you, boy. Did add some water for Julian because he does not know the consistency.